The Philips Norelco one-blade electric trimmer is a grooming game-changer, offering an all-in-one solution for trimming, edging, and shaving that caters to both face and body. This review explores the key features that make the one-blade a standout in the world of electric trimmers. The rechargeable one-blade face plus body is a testament to versatility. It effortlessly trims, edges, and shaves hair of any length, making it the ultimate grooming tool for a variety of styles. The inclusion of two blades, one for the face and one for the body, adds a level of precision that adapts to different grooming needs. Whether you're shaping your beard or tackling body hair, the one blade has you covered. The wet or dry use feature adds flexibility to your grooming routine. For those sensitive areas, the click-on skin guard provides extra protection, ensuring a gentle grooming experience without compromising on effectiveness. The Philips Norelco one-blade goes beyond just shaving with the inclusion of 4 stubble combs for the face and 1 body comb. The rechargeable Li-ion battery is a powerhouse, delivering a consistent 60 minutes of performance on a single charge. The Philips Norelco one-blade package is a comprehensive grooming kit that includes everything you need for a seamless grooming experience. From the handle and blades for the face and body to stubble combs, a skin guard, body comb, power charger, and protective cap, it's a one-stop solution for all your grooming needs. The inclusion of a subscribe and save option for Philips Norelco one-blade replacement blades adds a convenient touch. Subscribers can enjoy savings of up to 15%, ensuring that maintaining a sharp and effective trim is both affordable and hassle-free.